Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to make a banner using a cardstock. So I got a Spider-Man designs 12 cross 12 inches size. Now let's open our design space. We'll show you how I am designing the name. So this is some predefined I have already typed the name. So you have to just choose some bold font and just simply type the name. So once it's ready, you can give the make it, and I'm going to keep the sheets on 12 cross 12 mat. Choose, and it got splitted into 3 mats, but I can see some space here, so I will just move the elements from one mat to another to reduce the things. So if you give the move object, it will come here. It's not fitting here, the A, so I will try to move to the next tab. So here it's getting fit in 3, and H I will move again to the mat 1. So always make sure to fill the mat so you can avoid the wastage of materials. So now the name got fit in 2 mats. Give next. Let me on my machine first. Okay, the machine is on now. Now you can select, wait for the accessory to be prompted. So once it's prompted, I am choosing the Maker3. So this one is 12 cross 12 250 GSM printed as it is. So 250 GSM means I will choose the heavy cardstock, so it will cut without any issues. So the pressure will be default, and everything will be default. Now the blade is already in the machine. Let me pull out the mat and paste the sheet on that one. So I am taking the purple mat today. Before sticking to the cardstock, let me choose the design. So it's having 12 different designs. All of them are very nice. So I will choose this one. So it will the alphabets will cover each Spider-Man. So I will take this one, and this or this one. Will take this one. So both of them were in black and white, similar color. This is having some mixed ones. So I will take these 2 cardstocks. So all the alphabets will accommodate it in these 2 cardstocks. That is fine. First mat is having the starting letter. So I will keep this 12 cross 12 cardstock first. Make sure to place the cardstock exactly in the border, because we have covered all the alphabets in exactly 12 cross 12 inches. So the alphabets will be, now it's done. I stick to them. Let's push the mat into the machine. So the machine is already ready to waiting for the mat. So just push it carefully and give arrow. So now it will measure it. So the mat is loading. So once it measured the mat size, it will prompt to give play. Okay, so the tools are loaded. Go button we need to give. So I am giving go. So it's preparing now. It will again detect the tool. So I will pass here. After the cut is done, I will show you. So the cut is in progress now. Let's wait for some time. So once I finish both the cardstocks, I will show how to assemble it. So now the first mat is completed. I have unloaded the mat from the machine. So you can see the cut is done. Let's take. Cuts are very clean. See, we utilized almost 92% of the cardstock. Nice. So first 4 alphabets done. Now we need to cut another 3. So the second mat also completed. B. This one, this side is not there, and here there will be another A. So I didn't give any backer for these alphabets, since this one is a 250 GSM, which is thick enough. So I didn't give any backer for this. So all these alphabets are now ready, like H, A, R, V, A. So it's ready. So how we will use this in the birthday party, right? So once that happy birthday banner, below that just you can give some double side tape, and you can stick directly on the wall, or else you can tie some threads for each letter. You can in design space itself you could have put one circle here to make a circle, but I didn't do that one because I am planning to stick this using a double side tape, so that we can reuse in our home, kids home, or else like that we can do. So for now, or else if you are not doesn't have punching machine, means you can just stick the thread here and just join all the alphabets to make the name. That's it.